Good morning and welcome to our Friday assembly. We would like to acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. It's time for Friday morning online.
Good morning, everybody. Today we've got a story for you from a local author, and it's really about how everybody has their own special talent that makes them who they are. You may be a good athlete, you may be really good in computers, you may be good at all kinds of other things. You may be tall, you may be short, but everyone's got a special talent. And this book lets you sort of think about what your talent is and wait till it unfolds for you. Sometimes they come early, sometimes they come later. But try lots of things and see what works for you. So I hope you enjoy the story.
What does a caterpillar do? Written by David McArthur and illustrated by Lucy Rogers. Every child counts. It is the responsibility of every adult to cherish and protect them. Nothing else matters. This book is dedicated to Chloe and Aubrey Berry and to their incredible mother Sarah. All profits go to the Victoria Child Abuse Prevention and Counselling Centre. Copyright 2020 David McArthur, all rights reserved. Illustrated by Lucy Rogers. What does a caterpillar do? Does a caterpillar light our way at night? No! A firefly lights our way at night. Does a caterpillar catch flies in a web? No! A spider catches flies in a web. Does a caterpillar make silk for our clothes? No, a silkworm makes silk for our clothes. Does a caterpillar make music with her feet? No, a cricket makes music with her feet. Does a caterpillar have superhero strength? No, an ant has superhero strength. Does a caterpillar carry her home on her back? No, a snail carries his home on his back. Does a caterpillar wear a red and black coat? No, a ladybug wears a black and red coat. Does a caterpillar have 100 legs? No, a centipede has 100 legs. Does a caterpillar make herself look like a stick? No, a stick insect makes himself look like a stick. Does a caterpillar pollinate flowers in our garden? No, a bee pollinates flowers in our garden. Does a caterpillar glitter in the sun? No, a dragonfly glitters in the sun. If a caterpillar doesn't wear a red and black coat, have 100 legs, or glitter in the sun, then what does she do? She turns into a beautiful butterfly. The end. Written for Chloe and Aubrey.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Hi, I'm Clara.
Hi, I'm Julia.
Hi, I'm Mia.
Daisy Sock and Tie Day
on November 30th.
You can add a tie, socks,
Or tights
to your uniform. And it has to be crazy.
And this is organized by Round Square in grade 5.
Hi, Mr. Bowers. My monkey friend and I were talking, and we're a little bit concerned with the COVID numbers on Vancouver Island increasing quite a lot lately. Are we doing the best we can to keep our hands clean and different things? Tell me what you think is going on.
Well, I think your monkey friend needs a good lesson there because they look a bit dirty there. And I think, first of all, we need to really focus with our numbers going out to make sure we wash our hands. And that's, you got it, the birthday song. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday dear monkey, happy birthday to me. Okay, that length of time is big up.
Anything else we need to do?
Anything else? Well, we do need to make sure we keep our distance. That's really, really important. And we need to make sure that we only sneeze or cough into our armpits. Oh no, our
Armpits?
not armpits.
Monkey says it's an elbow.
Elbow, thank you.
Monkey is being very clean and conscious of being very safe in these uncertain times. Let's hope everybody else can. And by the way, Monkey, don't forget when you come inside, put on your indoor shoes. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.